Operation guide on the download, installation, registration of JC Drawing. Open JCID official website. Find the download interface. Find JC Drawing, including data, complete version, click download. After downloading, double-click to install the software. Please close the antivirus software before installing. Tick I have read and agree. Click one key install. After installing, click Start. After enter the JC Drawing, click Stop. Select English and click Confirm. Click Register. Enter the email address or phone number. Click Get CAPTCHA. Enter the verification code that you got. Click Submit. After setting password, click Confirm. Click Month/Year Card Recharge. Users can select to activate by entering the card number and password, or by scanning the QR code for payment.